Nindakugeithia muno mwiroreri wa Kirathi gya Kinyugo Mwaura na ndagucokeria ngatho nyingi muno ni undu wa kwenda channel ino na makiria ni undu wa gushare na ugasubscribe na ningi ugakorwo ukilike content iria ngoretwo ngikurehera kana tukoretwo tugukurehera ta timu ya Kirathi gya Kinyugo Mwaura. Ritwa riakwa ni Kinyugo Mwaura. Ngwira hindi ciothe ungiona turiganitie na ihua riri ukamenya ni hindi ya tafarira ya I Need Love rungu rwa tafarira ya How We Met, na haha niho tafarira iria turehaga endwa magatwira kuria twacemanirie no rungu rwa I Need Love tukoretwo tukirehe andu aria matumaga request ciao makauga Karo nie no nyende muiritu hanona nona kana no nyende mwanake hanona nona, na kaingi ni ngoragwo ngiuga reke twitikire gutiga namba citu cia thimu kana onako ni email address iria mundu wa interested agukora giukinyira nayo, tondu riria twehoka namba yakwa muno kaingi ni ngomukira message nyingi muno na igakorwo igitukana kana ngaikorwo ndebise tondu no ngirutaga wira mwena ungi ngaremwo gukorwo ngirumirira message icio on time, no ngakigeria haria hothe nguhota nigetha hote gutwarithia tafarira ino na mbere na ngamucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno. Tutanaingira thiini wa tafarira Kirathi gya Kinyugo Mwaura kirugamirirwo ni kambuni ya wendia wa migunda ya Brico Homes Limited. Ni kambuni irina projects kuria mwena wa Sagana, kwina project njeru muno iraruguririo kwira Nanyuki na ikirie guthira. Ningi kuri na project tukoretwo nacio kuria mwena wa Juja, kuria Juja Masto kuri na project kana broti ta ithatu tu digaru. Ningi kwina cio kuria mwena wa Juja Farm Athi, na kuri na project njeru muno turuguritie kuria mwena wa Juja Farm iria ngukorwo ngigutwara ica ikuhi nigetha umione video ini mwanya na nigetha uhote kuigithia na Brico Homes. Nigetha waranirie na ithui hurira Pauline kuhitukira 0721 077 077 na ria makoretwo makiuria urio kwa Brico Homes iriu ni wanyona kou nikuo tugaga a touch of fulfillment. Reke tuingira thiini wa tafarira ya umuthi. Wa mbere nyambiriria na gukwira ati hari andu aria ndarehete ihinda-ini riu ringi hari mwanake wetagwo Rashid ni ndakorirwo ngitio namba yake ni iritu ingi muno, na Rashid hari andu acio othe ni anjirire ni ahotire guthie agicaguraga, na riu hari muiritu umwe uria acetorete nake na niwe mararaniria nake mone kana ni makuhota gutwarithania rugendo ru rwa wendo. Angikorwo hihi ngoro yaku ni yathiete mwena ucio wa Rashid, itikira tu ati ni akorwo akiona muiritu uria onete tariwe ungimukenia ndugagikue ngoro, tondu gukirio na andu angi na request no nyingi muno iria tugukorwo tugithie na mbere na gukurehera haria ungihota gucagura mundu uria uraigwa ari na qualities iria ungienda. On top of that, tiga Rashid kuri o andu angi monete andu marathi na mbere na kwaraniria to marakioa rugendo ruru no kahora na kumenyana no kahora, na nie ngagitikira uguo tondu haha andu maracemania mitambo-ini koguo no marathi na mbere kumenyana pole pole, na ni thengio muno ni undu wa gukorwo kindumira ndumiriri ciaku na muno makiria ukehoka kirathi giki gya Kinyugo Mwaura. Wa gatatu, ririkana hindi ciothe nitugaga ugatiga namba yaku ya thimu kana email address nigetha tugateithania uguo handu ha message ciothe ciuke thimu-ini yakwa ri reke nake mundu ucio arakubataraga ukinyira direct nigetha we ukahota gukorwo ugicunga no urona mwega na no urona ta mugutwarana, tondu nie no hote hihi no ne mukuria ciuria icio ciothe on your behalf, na nikio nyendaga ugakorwo ugitiga namba yaku. Na reke twikire tu mukana wa kuga ati angikorwo no ndu serious na mundu, angikorwo mundu auga no wa miaka 50 na arenda mundu wa miaka 55 akorwo na miaka 22 ri tiga guthumbura mundu ucio tondu ni gutuma igua uru na igua imitwo gitio. Itikira tu uria mundu ugati uguo niguo arenda, na ndukarume mundu angikorwo ni ugati ndarenda ku engage nawe. Eterera ihinda ringi ni gakinya nigetha uhote gukorwo ukiona mundu mugutwarana thabari ino. So reke tuingira thiini wa tafarira ya umuthi, na athuri ndirenda kumucokeria ngatho muno tondu we kahinda murakirite atumia no maratumaga request ciao na iritu, no rita riri athuri ni mageretie muno kwiyumiria magituma request ciao, na nikio thiini wa tafarira ya umuthi ngwambiriria na request cia athuri. Mundu wa mbere biu list ni ite umuthi ni muthuri Mumathai uria itakugweta ritwa riake tondu uguo niguo athaithite ndikagwete ritwa riake kuringana na kuria aumite na andu aria mamugwi ihinda-ini riri ndenda kwamba kumenyeka ritwa uria makuiguithania ucio niwo gukorwo akimumenya makiria. Koguo ngumwita Masai Man ari na ukuru wa miaka 68 Niari muhikanu hau kabere kana niari na mutumia ari kihiko-ini na makigĩa ciana ithatu no kihiko giki gitinahota guthie na mbere toria mangĩerirĩirie marieri. Muthuri ũyũ aranjĩra ati he needs a serious woman, beautiful with a well-endowed body. Angĩkorwo ngiuga ũrĩa njĩrĩra ati mimi nataka mama iko na mwili, ũguo nĩguo anjĩrire. Akĩnjĩra no na angĩkorwo ati ndena mwĩrĩ mũnene ati nĩ mũslender, akauga I will feed that girl to my desired size. Akĩnjĩra mimi niko na butchery na niko na hoteli, mimi italisha yeye. Akiuga he wants somebody who doesn't have a baby, and if she has, then she should be ready to bear one with him. Na no gucokera ciugo ciake. Akijia Masai hawezi chunga ng'ombe ya wenyewe kama ye mwenyewe hana yake. Na niye ngigĩtĩa ũhoro ũcio ngiuga ngũkinyia ũrĩa toria ndaheo. Akijia he wants a clean lady who will be in a position to keep him neat too. In his words again, mimi sivai nguo mara mbili. So if you want him, you must be neat and ready to know that this man tiara macokeraga shati. Ajirire o nguo theru o muthenya ni mbabas orejiere wega. Akiuga I love a jovial woman who loves people, tondu we umite thiini wa family iri na andu aingi na ni makona get togethers. Arenda mundu arugama mbere ya andu, ni mundu endete andu na urahota kumariria. Akanjira bottom line, mimi niko na mali ya kuwa na bibi ya pili. Ũngĩkorwo nĩ ũkwenda muthuri o Mũmathai, nĩ ndĩmũforwardĩire namba cia andũ erĩ before ndehete request yake haha, no aragĩthiĩ na mbere na kwaranĩria no akanja ndangĩmind kũmenyana nangĩ nĩgetha ahote gũkorwo agĩcagũra. Na if you want him, kindly reach me on my email address. Tondũ nĩathaithĩte mũno ndikaheane namba yake na ngamũtĩa nĩ ũndũ wa mĩaka yake. Akanjĩra andũ acio manginyire na email address yakwa na niyo caroline.kinyugo@gmail.com. Nĩtũthiĩ kũrĩ mũndũ wa kerĩ etagwo Vincent. Vincent is a Kisii by tribe. He's 26 years old. He's a Kenyan man who is God-fearing. Na aranjĩra atĩ currently he's in Qatar. He's searching for a serious lady who is ready to settle down with one kid or without. Arenda mũndũ wĩna medium height, understanding, trustworthy and faithful. If the lady is in Qatar, arauga yo nĩ added advantage tondu kuu nĩ makũhota kwambia courtship wega oro kahora makionanaga. Akanjĩra the lady should be between the age of 22 to 25 years old. Contact number yake ni +974 3040 1657. Tuthie harĩ mũndũ wa gatatũ, onake no mũndũrũme aretwo Waweru ari na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 31. He tells me he's single and has never been married. He's currently working in Saudi Arabia. He needs a serious lady who is willing to get married, and the lady should be between the age of 25 to 31 years old. Akajira, God bless your work, Caro. Thank you so much, Waweru. And his contact number is 0710 950 147. Ũngĩkorwo nĩ ũkwenda kwaranĩria nake, thiĩ na mbere. And remember, we have said only if you're serious. Nĩrĩ wagĩrĩirwo ku engage andũ aya, because these are people who have come forward kuga nĩ ndĩrenda wendo. Some are lonely, amwe mana fujwo ngoro nĩ andũ angĩ kana maka heartbreak nĩ andũ angĩ. So I think what they are looking for is light and also relationships that are meant to last. David nĩwe mũndũ wa kana. Hari no ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 39. He's a businessman in Thika. He tells me he's looking for a lady who is ready to get married and should be between the age of 25 to 35 years old. Akanjĩra atĩ no akorwo na mwana ũmwe mũirĩtu ũcio kana akorwo ndarĩ na mwana. Akauga macio mangĩ nĩ mũgũthiĩ na mbere mũkĩmenyanaga. David contact number yake ni 0789 156 692. Tuthie o mũndũrũme ũngĩ ũgwĩtwo Morris arĩ na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 28 na aranjĩra atĩ we nĩ mũikari wa Juja, Kiambu County. He seriously needs a girl between the age of 18 to 27 years old, and that girl should be without a kid. Na aranjĩra we arenda girlfriend ngetha mambĩrĩrie kũnacha relationship yao. Na contact number yake ũngĩkorwo wĩna bata na Morris ni 0718 952245. Rĩu reke tũke rĩu kũrĩ mũhĩrĩga wa Sarah. tukwambĩrĩria na Grace kana tuthie na mbere kuma hau. Ucio ni mundu wa gatandatu niwe Grace. Grace is 44 years old. She has one child, that is a son who is 24 years old. She has never been married and currently in the Middle East. Her desire is to meet a God-fearing man who is aged between 50 to 55 years from Kenya or abroad and who is willing to start a family. Her contact number ndananeana na tondu ni akoretwa ni athingatite ihinda inene ri ndona ni wega neana email address yakwa tondu ndona ta tutanahota kunyitana ndamuria andumire namba yake ya thimu. I don't know what happened to her phone, but ndiye niki atakoretwo online. But I still decided, let me just give her the opportunity to request no automate back in June. Twambiriria tafarire no. Just send, if you want to talk to her, nyandikira kuhitukira caroline.kinyugo@gmail.com. Hari no ngio gwitwo Njoki, ucio ni mundu wa mugwanja. Njoki is 34 years old. She's working in Saudi Arabia na ranjira ati mwaka ukite January ani agakorwo agicoka guku bururi-ini. Njoki has no child and she's looking for a partner who could be in the US, Canada, UK or Australia. Cio ndarenda mundu i Kenya. That person should be aged between 36 to 42 years of age. Her contact address is ekinjowashira@gmail.com. Number 8, we have Helen. Helen is 44 years old. She's a teacher and a lecturer, and she's living in Nairobi. She's looking for a man who is between the age of 40 to 50 years old. The person should be at least a degree holder, a Christian, a Kikuyu by tribe, and she says on account of Mudhogo, a white, she will not mind. Her contact is 0711 6111114. Tuthi kore modu wa kenda niwe Anastasia. Anastasia says, hi Carol, I'm sure I'll find my love here. Amen, and may God do it for you. God bless you for remembering singles. Yes, amen. She's 28 years old and currently working out of the country. She needs a man who is 38 years and above. Dana koro atwira kana kwenda uri Kenya kana utari Kenya na no ni akiuga miaka iri angenda mundu ina ukuru wa miaka 38 guthie na iguru. Her contact number is +966 59283 0075. Waikomito de kore Rehab. Rehab is 40 years old. She tells me, Carol, I'm lonely. I have 2 kids. I would like a guy who is between the age of 44 to 55 years old. Currently, I'm in the country, but I'll be traveling soon out of the country. Her contact number is 0732 490 668. Waikomina umwe umothe ne maigi haririkana turehaga andu mugwanja no riu ni marathio makiongererekaga o muthenya. Teresia says that she's 51 years old. Akajira ati she's born again. Akauga ati her children are staying on their own at home. Na ni undu wa gitumi kiu ona gutuika ciana ici ni arauga ati ni ciana nene ti twana tunini. Araja ati she's looking for a widower with little children or without. Na kauga ati muthuri uyu agirwo gukorwo ari na miaka 52 guthie na iguru. Teresia is 51, so she's looking for a widower who is 52 and above. Teresia ndanatiga namba yake ya thimu, koguo onake angikorwo ni ukwenda gukorwo kimukinyira huthira email address yakwa niyo caroline.kinyugo@gmail.com. Tuthi hari mundu wa 12 niwe Koi. Koi is 29 years old and she's looking for love. She's a business lady here in Nairobi. Koi has no child. She has never been married and she's looking for a God-fearing man who has never been married to. A man without a child who is aged between 30 to 34 years old, should be a Kikuyu, responsible and ready to settle down. Her contact number is 0717 104 603. Elizabeth is 32 years old. Ucio ni mundu wa 13. Elizabeth is from Nakuru. She tells me, Carol, I strive to believe in the good within everyone. I'm here to find a long-term relationship with a man who is ready to settle down and build a family together. This man should not have any kids and preferably one who is living in the USA. No gushiria hiyo nage ko Kenya. Redi gushiria Elizabeth no athure todo. She's out here looking for a long-term relationship. Elizabeth, you can use my email address to reach her. That is caroline.kinyugo@gmail.com. The reason I'm avoiding kuhuthira namba yakwa ni tondu ina message nyingi muno ona imwe ite ndirahota ku respond to na ndirenda ingi cioke ikunekeire ire na kuu kianda niki itaraheana namba ya thimu, but not to say that you cannot send a message there, but if you send and there is a bit of a delay, please ndukaigue uru ni haria tu nguthie ikinyagwa ikinyangi ikinyagira koguo no ukinyire Elizabeth kuhitukira jira imwe kana ĩngĩ kugerera nie. Number 14 and the last person for today, ndimwitite anonymous. The reason ndimwitite anonymous is because neashiite information very sensitive o ta andu angi njiraga gukurehera eri in the previous show. Aranjira ati we ena miaka 45, she is a nurse and she has 2 daughters. One is 9 years old, the other one is 14 years old. She was married but now separated. Mutumia oyo aranjira ati she's living with HIV. She has been lonely for some time, and the main reason is because she fears to infect others. Akajira, I feel incomplete and I decided to try my luck in spite of my status. I'm a small-bodied, beautiful woman. I'm looking for a partner that is a man who is between the age of 46 to 50 years, a man with kids, nagashoka kauga a widower or a divorcee, any can work. Niahete email address yake. Aka naniyo gwandikire hau theytriposa2014@gmail.com.angela. Diwe email address yo yani changanya hanini neke, but you can try or you can use my email address caroline.kinyugo@gmail.com. na ni undu wa request ino ya mundu ciite na ithui information yake very sensitive ya gukorwo ati we positive, HIV positive. Ningenda nguririkania atumia angeri ndakoretwo ngikurehera thiini wa show iyo ingi na ngikwira nao ndameta anonymous because they in need of love, and sometimes the society can stigmatize, na nikio monire kaba ndimetete anonymous. No muhitukire kuhitukira namba yakwa kana email address yakwa gukorwo mugikinyira atumia acio eri. They are still in need of love, and they have told me if you're out there living with the same condition and you feel that you'd want a match or a partner, there are women out here who are willing, and here they are, and it is very good of someone saying atiwe aikarite ogwetereire mundu wake for the fear of infecting others. Thank you so much to this anonymous lady, and may God grant you your heart desires. Twakinya muthia wa request cia muthenya wa umuthi, request no nyingi na nikiongeragia kurehe o kiumia nigetha tuthie tukieheraga. And for those who are still pursuing talks with andu aria monete haha, may God give you light to know the right person for you, na nigetha muka hindi mweri tugakorwo tugiuka haha kurehe success ya rugano rwanyu na tugacokia ngatho muno. Ririkana wenda gutuma na request yake, you can use my email address. For the new request, you can use my number. But for those requests we have aired, please let's just have your number nigetha andu mahote gukinyira nayo, so that tuweze kusonga pole hivyo o andu magiteithikaga o haria hothe tungihota. May God bless you so much, na muririkane no muigithia na kambuni ya wendia wa migunda ya Brico Homes, na ni erugamirire Kirathi gia Karo Kinyugo Mwaura, na ni ngwiraga kaingi ati guku title ciumaga immediately wana warikia kuriha ni ukunyita title yaku nigetha ukorwo no shamba wa gukorwo ati we niwe mwene mugunda ucio, na hindi ciothe ugetiaga kuigithia na kambuni iria irakurumbuia we na mbeca ciaku, tondu kaingi andu maga kuigithia ni kurigwo atiriri mbeca ciakwa ciguthie ku. But with Brico Homes you can never go wrong. Na ndakwira twina project kuria mwena wa Juja, twina area Juja Masto na tigarite broti cigano na ingitarika na twara. Ningi kwina iria kuri Juja Farm Athi, actually maybe 1 or 2. Ningi kwina ingi project turuguritie njeru muno onayo iri haha mwena wa Juja Farm, na ningienda ukorwo ukihurira Pauline nigetha onako ni mundu gutuma site visit akonduri hakuhi akorwo agikurora migunda eno ri ni undu mwega muno. Namba ya Pauline kana no namba ya wabici ni 0721 077 077. Ugikona ndurenda kunjira na makiria gushare rugano ruria wacemanie na mwendwa waku, Huthira email address yakwa caroline.kinyugo@gmail.com na ihinda-inĩ rĩu no ũkorwo ũkĩhũthĩra namba yakwa ya thimũ 0722919062 na tũkenaga twamenya andũ marutanire kũ, magĩthiĩ kũ na nginya magakinyagia. Na nĩ ngatho mũno kũrĩ andũ arĩa nginyagia rĩu makoretwo makĩheana ng'ano ciao. Rũrĩa latest twĩrĩga kũrehe nĩ family ya Mr and Mrs Francis Thiongo na Naomi, tukamacokeria ngatho muno to rugano ruo na ruo nĩ rwakigira na feedback njega muno. Ngai wa Mwaura romrathima na rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kinyugo Mwaura.